Hi everyone, my name is Cynthia Jeanette and thank you for once again clicking on this video and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video I'm going to do like a 4th of July inspired makeup tutorial. I'm thinking I'm going to use like a tear, like the glitter tears under your eyes. That's what I'm thinking about doing with the red lip. The tears are going to be blue and the eyeshadow is going to be like cut crease, I think. Still don't know, but let's see how this is gonna turn out. I just have like the image in my mind, like the picture in my mind, but I'm just not sure if it's gonna turn out good or not. So just stick with me till the end, please. So without any further ado, let's get on with the video. Hey guys, so I'm going to talk through this tutorial. So first I'm going to start with priming my eyelids with Smashbox Photo Finish Lip Primer in medium. And I'm going to apply this with my finger. I'm just going to pat and light strokes distributing across my lids evenly. Once I'm through with the primer, I'm going to begin with my eyes. I'm going to use Maybelline New York Vivid Matte Liquid Lipstick. And this is in 35 Rebel Red. It doesn't have to be this specific, but I do recommend a liquid lipstick that's red, like a very pigmented, dramatic red. It's gonna help you apply your eyeshadow. The process is gonna make it easier and it's gonna apply way better. And I'm just gonna use the applicator that came with the liquid lipstick, and I'm gonna apply this on my lid and also on my crease. Once I'm done applying the liquid lipstick all over my lid, I'm gonna use a precision shader brush. This is by Lexi and number 239, and I'm just gonna use this precision shader brush just to distribute the liquid lipstick evenly across my eyelid. I don't want anything, any patches anywhere, so I'm just gonna blend this across my lid. Now I'm going to switch brushes. I'm going to use a crease brush from MUA Professional Makeup Academy in number 315. And I'm going to use that to apply the Ice Pop from Lemonade Craze by Maybelline New York. So I'm going to apply, it's a very like a cherry red shade. And I'm only going to apply this on the crease. Blend that out across my crease and my eyelid, and also in my inner corner as well, in even strokes. I'm gonna move on to a different palette. It's called Aphrodite by Bad Habit, and it has 18 color shade collection. And I'm gonna get the one that's called Lust, and I'm gonna use my crease brush. You can use a larger blending brush. That's the one I had on hand. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my crease, and just to cover or set in the liquid lipstick so you won't have any what's that called? Creases. And also I'm going to apply that on what's that called? By my eyebrow bone, and I'm just going to blend this. Now I'm going to switch to another palette. I'm so sorry. But I'm going to use Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions. I'm going to use a teal glitter shade from the palette that I just showed you. And I'm going to use a pencil brush, and I'm going to apply this all over my lower lash line. And again, you just need like a blue, like a teal glittery shade, whatever you have on your lower lash line. It doesn't have to be necessarily all the palettes that I use, just similar. Now I'm going to use NYX glitter, or what's it called? Yeah, glitter glue. And I'm going to use this small concealer brush, and it just applies the glitter better. And then just a small amount, going with a small amount, and I'm going to apply this next to my lower lash line where I applied teal. I'm going to connect them. I'm going to apply the glue on the lower like right under it. And I'm just gonna do this lightly, pat strokes across, you know, just under my lashes, I'm sorry, under my lower lash line. And I'm just gonna pat this across, and I'm gonna go in with another, I'm so sorry, another eyeshadow palette. This is called Fenty Beauty, and this is in Galaxy. And I'm going to use this because it's glitter and also it's blue, so I want my tears to be, glitter tears to be blue and white. So whichever glitters you have that's blue and white, that's going to work. But that's what I have in my makeup collection, and so that's what I'm going to use. And I'm going to apply some more glitter glue wherever I want to apply the glitter. That's where I'm going to apply the glue, and I'm going to use my finger, my index finger. It applies better. And yeah, I'm just going to apply that, and after that I'm going to wait for it to dry a little bit, and I'm going to apply the glitter again. Yeah, just fan it out. So after I'm done with my glitter tears, I'm going to go with my eyes again, and I'm going to apply glitter glue, and I'm going to apply some glitter. This is called J Cat Rockin' the Night Sparkling Powder Glitter, and it's like pinkish, silver, red, gold, has everything in there, just powder, sparkly and glittery, and that's exactly what I'm looking for. I'm just going to apply this with my index finger all over my lid. You don't have to be perfect, just wherever you want the glitter to be. I want it to be on my eyelids, only on my eyelids, not everywhere else, just on my eyelids, not my crease, not my eyebrow bone, not my inner corner or outer corner, just my lids. So that's where I'm gonna apply it. So that's how it looks like. I'm all done with my glitter eyes and my eyes. Now I'm gonna move on to my face. I'm gonna use Wet n Wild Mega Glow Illuminating Palette, and from that palette I'm gonna use a light pink shade, and I'm gonna apply this on my inner corners. Just on your inner corners, just do like what I'm doing. It's easy to see, but I'm also applying it not only my inner corners, but also where the blue and the pink meet, and a little bit above it as well. So that's how it looks like, and that's where I'm gonna apply it. And also Using the same Wet n Wild Mega Glow Illuminating Palette, I'm gonna use my highlighter, my light highlighting brush, and I'm going to use a light pink. I'm going to apply this on my high points of my face, which include my cheekbones. I'm going to apply the highlighter on my cheekbones and on my nose bridge. So that's it for the highlight. You can add more if you want. But now I'm going to apply mascara on my lashes, bottom and lower lashes. I'm going to use the Almay Thickening One Coat Mascara that I bought at CVS. It was a brand new mascara. I don't have a lot to say about it except it's thickening and you only need one coat to apply it and make your lashes thick. This is the first time I'm wearing it, so I don't have like a wear test for you. I don't know if it smudges or if it runs or if it's easy to take off. But right now I'm having good results. They make my lashes long and thick. Now on for the lips, I'm going to use a Smashbox Beat Legendary Lipstick in Audition, and this is a nude neutral shade. I don't want something too dramatic because my eyes are dramatic enough, so you want something a light shade, close to your skin tone, neutral, nude shade. Not something very dramatic, not red or... So my hair is done and my makeup is done as well. So this is my 4th of July inspired makeup tutorial. I hope you guys learned something from it, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions, comment down below, and I hope you all have a blessed happy 4th of July, and be safe, and also remember that we live in a powerful, great, amazing country, and we have many rights that other people don't, and sometimes we take them for granted. So just be appreciative this 4th of July, and just have fun, and I'll see you next week with another video. And remember to subscribe to my channel and like this video as well. Comment down below. I love making new friends, YouTube friends. So see you next week.